sponsored by McAdams Mortuary, located at 500 Southwest 1st Street, Italy, Indiana.
Good morning, I'm Joni, and this is your PHS News Today for Tuesday, November 6th. NHS and NJHS are sponsoring a food drive until November 9th. Please bring all donations to your first period teachers. The first period with the most items per student will earn a breakfast treat. Yearbooks are for sale for $35 in Mrs. Nichols' room. You can drop off your money for your yearbooks in the office or in room 115. If you have any questions, please contact Mrs. Nichols. Already thinking about lunch? Check out the cafeteria serving up today. Help make a child's Christmas wonderful. Bring small toys, shoe boxes, school supplies, or hygiene items like washcloths or toothbrushes to Mrs. Wishart's room by November 16th. And now to Audrey with the Ram Sports Report.
Thank you, Joni. In honor of football advancing to regionals, we are having dress-up days this week. Today is USA, tomorrow is Wacky Socks, Thursday is Camo, and Friday is All Out Purple and Gold. Back to you, Joni.
Drama Club will be performing the comedy 30 Reasons Not to Be in a Play Thursday, November 15th through Saturday, November 17th at 7 p.m. in the auditorium. Tickets are $3 for students and $4 for adults. And now to Audrey to interview Mr. Lindley about Veterans Day.
I'm here with Mr. Lindley to talk about Veterans Day.
Well, Veterans Day is going to be, of course, next Monday because the 11th falls on Sunday. And we'll have our traditional program at 10 o'clock that morning. However, in preparation, we're going to have the opportunity for you to recognize people in your family or among your friends who were veterans or are currently even serving in the military. And we have these forms, which I will have printed out and put down at the office with Mrs. Grabner. And there's a place for the picture of your veteran and a little bit about the person, why you want to honor them. And we'll hang these up and we'll make a Veterans Hall kind of wall of honor type thing to display that day at the Veterans Day program. There are two different forms. One if your picture is running horizontal, and then there's another one if your picture is running vertical. And so you can do a photocopy or print one off. It doesn't have to be a real picture, but it is nice to recognize these men and women.
Thank you, Mr. Lindley. Back to you, Joni.
I'm Joni, and that's your PHS News Today. Have a Joni-tastic day.